안녕하세요.
안녕하십니까 우리 방.
Hi guys. I woke up really late this morning and I had to rush out. Not proud of that, but either ways, we are on a trip to some mountain. I will put the name here and I will take you with me on this journey, and I hope you enjoy this video. You guys should do what you always do for me, like, subscribe, share, and give me the motivation to make more of these videos, because I do go to a lot of fun places sometimes.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes and breathe the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
우리 도착했어요.
And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something
가자, 가자, 가자. 어머.
There's something that'll have what you need. What you need.
물 다 있어요? 네. 그러면 물 필요.
영지고택 사세이길. Heading into the mountain. Look how here I am.
Have you got some water yet?
I'm not get water.
Where's your bag?
It's on my hand. 생각해볼게요. I will think about it. 아, 옛날 한국에
설명한 거 기억나요?
여기에
여기
음식팀
바다
만들었어요.
따뜻하게 하는 거 보일러, 옛날 보일러. 그래서 여기에 나무 넣고 불 이렇게 하면 방이 따뜻해요. 그래서 불 가까이에 있는 쪽 아랫목이 제일 따뜻해요. 여기 불이 있으니까 이쪽이 아마 제일 따뜻하고 멀면 차가워지고. 네. 여기 이렇게 나무 넣어서 하는 거 아궁이고. We're at our second location. We're here and we'll be climbing up this mini mountain. It takes 30 minutes up and 30 minutes down. So we'll spend about an hour climbing up, going up and down. Kacha, kacha, kacha.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my
I hate walking. 난 할 수 있어? Can I do this? Let's find out.
가자. 가보자. 제 가보자. 가자. 가자. My friend gave me energy refill, sugar refill. 사실은 오늘 아침에 아무것 먹었어요. 나는 진짜 배고파. 그런데 내 친구 이 강씨 주었어요. 너무 행복했어요.
Purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
Koreans interestingly love to take care of their health. You can see something like this now. We are going up a mountain, but there are things like this. People who want to like do workout and stuff. It's a pretty interesting concept. Walking is not my strongest point. Like, I could jog, run, work out, lift weights, but you see long distance walking. Whew, whew, whew. The mountain keeps going up and down, up and down. Now we're going up another incline. Fighting. 난 할 수 있어. My walking partners are right there in front, and here I am. This looks like I just approached kind of like a rest stop on this journey, but we still have to go all the way up. Fuji. It's talking about benefits of walking for your feet.
Broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Mountain climbing is for the strong, not the weak, okay? Keep that in mind, people. Walking up this mountain was so difficult. It was so difficult. I can't even start. Either way, I'm happy. I did it.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their
하트, 우산, 우산, 스타. 이거 뭐예요? birthday.
우리 여기 앉아서 해볼까요?
네.
이렇게 했어요. 준비했어요?
준비.
빨리
괜찮아요?
왜 이렇게 무거워?
Look at my umbrella. It's broken. Thank you so much, guys, for getting to the end of this video. Do what you always do for me. Like, subscribe, share, comment, drop questions in the comment box. Tell me what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye.